Your first what?
Migration. We're leaving today for the warm lands.
Leaving?
Mm-hmm. You're a silly one with all these questions.
Oh, sorry.
What's your name?
Everyone calls me ugly.
Oh. Don't listen to them. It's just a stage we all go through. You should have heard some of the things they called me before the moment.
How could anyone call you names?
Like I said, it's just a stage we all go through.
Excuse me.
My mother always said to look out for the fishing line people leave behind.
So did mine. Oh. She used to tell me when we were out swimming.
Oh.
Oh, hey, there. Just one more loop around the lake.
Oh, thank you! I thought I was going to be left behind, and this is no place to spend the winter alone. Where's your flock?
I don't know. I'm lost. I was separated from my family, and the more I look for them, the further it seems they wander away.
Oh, that's dreadful. When did you last see them?
In the spring.
In the spring? You'll be lost in the spring. Oh, you poor thing. You can't stay here in winter. You'll freeze.
No, I'll be all right.
Annie. Oh. Come with me. The others won't mind, and then next spring I'll come back and help you find your family.
Oh, I couldn't
Oh,
possibly.
of course you could. Come on, I will never catch you.
Oh, Penny, I'd love to. I'd really love to, but I can't. I can't fly. At least not well enough to go with you.
Doesn't matter if your wings aren't as strong as the others. I'll stay back and fly at your pace.
That sounds wonderful. But I must keep going. I have to find my mother. I'm sure she can't be far away. Maybe when you come back in the spring, we can meet up again.
I'd like that. I'm sure you'll be all right.
I'm sure.
Penny, come along, darling. I hate to leave you like this, but I really must be going. Thank you again. Goodbye. I'll never forget you. HONK!
HONK? She won't remember me. I bet she doesn't even come back. Why would she want to have anything to do with me?
It's like
Whoa!
Pardon me.
Leave me alone.
Sorry, fellas. I didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. Sort of runs in the family. Or jumps in the family, depending on
What do you want?
want.
Well, you might as well get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
Oh, there! I hope you feel better
Whoa,
now.
whoa, whoa, hang on a minute. You don't mind if I hop off and hop back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, fellas. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me.
Woo!
There. See, if we talking ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You got down in the mouth. Come on now, give me a smile.
I want to be left on my own.
Now that's just damn right. Say salsa. Hang on a minute. I got a human in my throat. Oh, well, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in frog's clothing. And one day someone's going to come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. Then I say to myself, no, Get real. Who wants to snog a frog? You know what our problem is?
No.
Our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's a question of taste. But you mark my words. One day ugly will be in. If you just sit tight and lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport each season's look will fall flat on their ass. Your mother what it's called. Fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when women style, and when I guarantee out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. What's and all out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fun. Someone's gonna fall for you, though I may look a bit classy. Trust me, I'm classy in my pond. It's so rocky, time to have a call. Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Boys and all. Tell them, kids.
Somewhere out there, we don't know where, someone will care. They're gonna love ya, warts and all. Somewhere out there, we can't say where, but someone is gonna fall for you.
Just think, whenever you boosting, one day you'll be boosting.
Soon you'll be roosting.
Oh, it may take some time, but when you do, you'll have a ball.
We know you're gonna have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya.
Out there,
Someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Love ya, warts and all. Out there in my heart, someone needs a cuddle. It's just small. It's true.
just think, whenever you be boosting, one day you'll be boosting.